Hey, what's up guys? Today we're doing Etsy print-on-demand shop reviews. This is actually episode 15, and today we're doing something a little different. We're going to check out an Etsy shop that is targeting the German market. I think the previous 14 episodes were all in the US market, so this one's going to be interesting. Let's get started. Real quick, if you haven't already, take 10 seconds to enter the free weekly print-on-demand giveaway. 2 winners are going to be selected tomorrow on Sunday. This week sponsored by Flying Research, print-on-demand research tools, AutomatePOD, print-on-demand design creation automation, All-American Graphics, premium graphics for your designs, and Bubble Scout, the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool. You'll find a link in the description to enter the giveaway. Also in the description, you'll find a link to my 8-day print-on-demand mini course that'll help you launch your Etsy shop and tie it together to the Printful integration. You get 1 lesson a day delivered to your inbox completely free. And my print-on-demand Facebook group, you can also find a link to that in the description. Oh yeah, and if you haven't been following my Etsy print-on-demand series on YouTube for 2021, check it out. It's probably going to be like 15 videos or so when it's all said and done, but I'm laying out pretty much exactly what you need to do in the order you need to do it to be successful on Etsy with print on demand. So check that out, link in the description as well, or just click my YouTube channel and you can find it there. All right, and this is the Etsy shop we're going to be taking a look at, so let's go. So here we are. The shop is called Shotterwork 2021. Now I went ahead and I did a Google Translate on that, and it translates to gravel plant, in case anybody was wondering, because I certainly was. I do like the branding there with the trees and the logo and the consistency between having that in your header banner and in your profile image. Kai apparently is the owner of the shop. It looks pretty good. You've got 2 sales. 2 sales, that's kind of low. It sucks you don't have more sales than that, but at least you got your 5-star review. What else? You've got sections. So I see you're using sections. That's good. You've got t-shirts and long sleeves, laptop cases, hoodies, mugs, beanies, towels, blankets, bags, and phone cases. Now, here's the thing. I mean, I haven't really taken that hard of a look yet, but I think you should have more sales. And I'm wondering, again, this is my first time looking at international shops, but this, and by the way, I said it was a German shop, but this is the symbol for pound sterling, not the euro. And I'm pretty sure they use the euro in Germany. So, okay, it says free UK delivery. So maybe I was wrong there. The shop owner is in Germany, but he's catering to the UK market. And I'm kind of just piecing this puzzle together as we go here. Now, I think, I'm just guessing, but I think the German market may be a better target than the UK market just based on Amazon statistics. Or maybe UK Etsy is better than UK Amazon. I don't know. I know Amazon's big in Germany, though. But also, you know, this is a good chance to just say you can be an international seller and sell in the US markets. So my first and foremost recommendation would have been to really target Etsy.com and the, I guess you're still on Etsy.com, but I see /DE and, you know, DE representing Germany. And if you could have really targeted the US market, I'm thinking you would have probably made more sales just because I know there's a bigger audience there, bigger potential customer base. So that's just one thing that comes to mind immediately. The second thing, just looking at your pricing, like, I don't know, like I've never been to Europe actually, now that I think about it, but I've been meaning to go. I think would have maybe gone either last year or this year because I've for sure been wanting to go. And then I worked myself out of my day job, so I didn't have any more excuses about vacation and anything. And then, of course, now it's like the travel restrictions and whatnot. I guess I'm just making excuses again, but I need to get over there. But I don't know how the pricing psychology works overseas. I would imagine it's similar to what we do here in America, where instead of charging like 64.84 pounds sterling, you'd probably round that up to like 64.99 and see an increase in click-throughs and conversion rate. So pretty much for all of your pricing, I would try to get it closer to numbers that we're more used to seeing, like 0.95, 0.99. There's plenty of studies too. I'm sure there's other numbers like that I'm missing, but that's just the first thing that comes to mind. You've got the free delivery. Now, I mean, free delivery is great. I still think you should run a sale. I've talked in the past about how you can offset the price of your products, run a sale, and charge the same amount, right? So if all of these pricing that you have in front of me are the exact amounts you want to sell the products for, you can still increase the prices and then run a sale and bring it right back down to this amount. So you don't lose anything, but you gain the sale, like the strike through the old price and the perceived value to your customers of a better price. Something else I'm noticing here is like you've got the same design on a bunch of different products, and you know, you can do this, but you pay 20 cents per listing and you pay quarterly. So what I might do is like maybe pair together like long sleeve, hoodie, tank top, and like t-shirt, wherever t-shirt is, like here. I would just put them together in one listing and then add them as sizes. Now, people always ask how to do this with integrations like Printful, Printify, Guten, whatever you're using. And the answer is I don't think you can. I think it's a manual effort. But that being said, you will save yourself a decent bit of money if it's that important to have the same design on multiple products available for sale. Obviously, also jump on Amazon merch if you're not already to the shop owner, because they recently made a change where every design you upload will count as one upload slot, and then you can enable it on all marketplaces and all products. So this will be done very easily for you, and you won't have the extra headache. And so yeah, but I was just going to say, you can combine a lot of these listings into one. And if you get it ranked, that's also to your benefit, right? Because you can sell different product types through the same listing, and it'll keep climbing the organic rank, hopefully. And also, again, save you money on the fees. But another thing I'm noticing actually is it looks like you're front loading your keywords with unisex pullover hoodie, tote bag, unisex long sleeve tee. Like if you're trying to assist the algorithm in understanding what it is you're selling, the typical best practice on any marketplace is to front load with keywords that signify your niche before you specify the product type. Because most customers, actually, you know what? This is a European marketplace shop. So maybe in Europe, like I wouldn't know firsthand. So let me know in the comments below if you do know. Is this how they search? Like, do they search for long sleeve tee space, then insert niche? Because here in America, we do niche first, product type second. So, again, I'm not the expert here as far as like overseas, but I would anticipate that the algorithm, the people who wrote the Etsy algorithm, I'm pretty sure Etsy's based out of New York City in the US, unless they tweaked their algorithm for the overseas markets, then you're going to assist the algorithm more by just following the best practice of front load your title with the most important keywords. Product type can come after that. Also, I don't see any harm in enabling personalization on these listings just because you got a lot of room. Like the way your designs are optimized, this is more or less, in my mind, optimized for landscape, which would translate better into like face masks, and you know what I mean? Whereas t-shirts are optimized more vertical, and you left a lot of the space open. I don't like to get into too many tangents on critiquing design, but like, bigger's better typically online. You really want to like catch somebody's eyes and attention while they're scrolling through endless options of being in the biking niche, for instance, if they just want a biking shirt. So, I mean, that comes to mind. These beanies and these hats, the way you've got these set up, these two specifically. Now, I'm going to show you the difference, actually. Check this out, everybody watching. Like this, well, it looks even better here from the shop, actually. So check out these two hats right here. All right, those two hats, you see the design. It's prominent. It's big. It could be a little bit bigger, but either way, I mean, that's done really well, all right? Now, compare them to this one right here, where it's off angle, it's not centered, it's way harder to read, and it just doesn't stand out nearly as well. So, follow best practices, frame your designs so that they're easy to read from the thumbnail. And like, look at this one too. I mean, this is like a his and hers maybe, but you can't read anything. The text is too small, the design's too small. It's better to crop that and make it way big and centered on a shirt and zoom in. I'm dropping actually a video next week to finish out my Etsy print on demand series, where I'm going to talk about how to do thumbnails. I've actually already recorded the video, so make sure you're subscribed so you catch that one. I think you'll benefit a lot from it. And one thing that I do like, though, I'm not just trying to shred your shop or anything like that. Like, you're doing a great job. I think you should have more sales. That's why I said maybe if you sold in the US market, you'd be in better shape. But I mean, these phone cases look really good. I like that you're mixing it up with the phone cases. By the way, check it out. Some of these phone cases, like these two, are zoomed in, right? But then you've got phone cases like this one that's a little bit more zoomed out. Now, it's still centered and it's still big enough. It works. But I like that you have a couple over here in these two that are even bigger and easier to read. I like your variety of products that you've got available in the shop as well. But I think there's like these little things, man, and that's what can set you apart from everybody else. Just taking advantage of the little optimizations that I try to talk about when I do these Etsy shop reviews and in my Etsy tutorial, and of course in my full print on demand course. So that's really what I think this shop is a story of, plus with the opportunity of optimizing for US markets, I think opens the door to a lot more sales as well. But I mean, like clearly your shop is like really well branded. It looks amazing and you've got a wide product variety and your designs are good, but they're just maybe some of them aren't like framed, I would say, properly in the thumbnail. And without that, you're not going to have a high click-through rate. So you'll end up getting penalized by the algorithm. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you made it this far, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. Just a quick reminder, I do have a full print-on-demand course that walks you through exactly how I make six-figure print-on-demand sales every single year. It shows you how to start, scale, and then automate your print-on-demand business. Keep it up to date. And if you guys want to check that out, link in the description. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching until the end. I will see you tomorrow with a new top 5 niches of the week video.